Hello my dear student, today I will teach you the first lesson of second PUC organic chemistry, that is haloalkanes and haloarenes. Let me tell you the definition for haloalkanes and haloarenes. Haloalkanes, I will tell you one hint. Haloalkanes means it is a combination of halogen and alkane. Haloarenes means it is a combination of halogen and aromatic hydrocarbon. I will tell you the exact definition for haloalkane, that is, haloalkanes are the derivatives of alkane obtained by the replacement of hydrogen atom of alkane by halogen. I will take one example. Alkane, the first member of alkane is methane. The formula for methane is CH4. In methane, if we replace one of the hydrogen atom by halogen, halogens are represented by the symbol X. X may be either fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. If you replace one of the hydrogen atom by halogen, the resultant product is haloalkane, that is CH3X. CH3X. Now I will repeat the definition. Haloalkanes are the halogen derivatives of alkane obtained by replacing hydrogen atom of alkane by halogen. Okay. Then what is the definition for haloarenes? Similarly, haloarenes are the halogen derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbons. What is the example for aromatic hydrocarbon? For example, benzene. We know that in benzene, each carbon atom containing one hydrogen. Even here also, in order to get haloarenes, we should replace one of the hydrogen atom of aromatic hydrocarbon by halogen. See, the resultant product obtained is haloarene. Clear? Haloalkanes are the halogen derivatives of alkane obtained by replacing hydrogen by halogen. Haloarenes are the halogen derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbons obtained by replacing hydrogen by halogen. Next, classification of haloalkanes. Okay. Classification of haloalkanes. See, depending upon the number of halogen atoms present in the molecule, haloalkanes are broadly classified into three types. Under that, first one is monohaloalkanes. Monohaloalkanes. Second one is dihaloalkanes. And polyhaloalkanes. This classification is based on the number of halogen atom present in the molecule. As the name implies that, first one, monohaloalkane. These are the monohalogen derivatives of alkane obtained by replacing only one hydrogen atoms of alkane by halogen. For example for monohaloalkane, that is CH3Cl, chloromethane, CH3, CH2, Br, bromoethane and so on. Methyl chloride or chloromethane is a derivative of methane obtained by replacing one hydrogen by chlorine. Bromoethane is a derivative of ethane obtained by replacing one hydrogen by bromine. These monohaloalkanes are represented by the general formula CnH2n plus 1 bond X. This is X. See, this is the general formula for monohaloalkanes, where N represent number of carbon atom. See, you substitute N in this equation, you will get CH3X. Here X is chlorine. And the next classification is dihaloalkanes. As the name implies that di. What is meant by di? It indicates two halogen atom. These are the halogen containing compound which containing two halogen atom. Then the definition is the halogen containing compound obtained by replacing two hydrogen atoms of alkane by halogens. For example, CH2Cl2. See, number of halogen atoms are 2, and CH3, CH2, CHCl2, CHCl2. These are the example for dihaloalkane. Here, this dihaloalkane is also derivative of methane. In methane, 2 hydrogen atoms are remaining same. Remaining 2 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 2 chlorine. And this is the derivative of ethane. What is the formula for ethane? CH3 bond CH3. Here, in the first carbon atom, only one hydrogen atom left. Remaining 2 hydrogen atoms have been replaced by chlorine. Then, these dihaloalkanes are again classified into 3 types. First one is geminal dihalides. Second one is vicinal dihalides. And the last one is terminal dihalides. All these are the example for dihaloalkanes only. Then what is the difference? In geminal dihalides, the 2 halogen atoms are attached to the same carbon atom. What are geminal dihalides? These are the halogen containing compound in which 2 halogen atoms are attached to same carbon atom. Is called geminal dihalide. Then what are vicinal dihalide? In vicinal dihalides, 2 halogen atoms are attached to the adjacent carbon atom. See, this is also derivative of ethane, this is also derivative of ethane, but replacement of hydrogen atoms are different. Here, the 2 hydrogen atoms of same carbon atom is replacing 2 chlorine atom. Here, the 2 hydrogen atoms of adjacent carbon atoms are replacing 2 chlorine atom. Then terminal haloalkane means Cl, CH2, 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 Cl. See, what is meant by terminal? End. Terminal haloalkanes means these are the halogen containing compound in which the 2 halogen atoms are attached to the last end carbon atoms. The 2 halogen atoms are attached to last end carbon atoms. That is terminal haloalkanes. These dihaloalkanes are represented by the general formula CnH2nX2. This is the general formula for dihaloalkane. This is the general formula for monohaloalkane. And there is one more type of haloalkane, that is polyhaloalkane. Polyhaloalkanes. What is meant by poly? Many. Hence, these are the halogen containing compounds which containing more than 3 halogen atoms. The corresponding alkane in which the hydrogen atoms, the 3 or more hydrogen atoms have been replaced by halogen. For example, CHCl3. See, this is also the derivative of methane only. In methane, the total number of carbon atoms are 4. Here only 1 hydrogen atom is left. What about remaining 3 hydrogen atom? Those 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced by chlorine atom. Similarly, CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. This is also an example for polyhaloalkane. Here all the 4 hydrogen atoms of methane have been replaced by chlorine. This is the classification of haloalkane based on the number of halogen atom present in the molecule. And for polyhaloalkane, there is no general formula. Okay. Again, these haloalkanes are further classified into 2 types based on the hybridization of carbon atom to which the halogen atom is bonded. First one, compound having CsP3 bond X second one compound having CsP2X bond. See, haloalkanes are further classified into two types depending upon the halogen atom attached to the carbon atom, the nature of the hybridized state of carbon atom. Depending upon the hybridized state of carbon atom to which the halogen bonded, they are classified into two types. In some molecule, halogen atom is directly attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. In some haloalkanes, halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. Okay, first we will discuss the compound having CsP3X bond. Okay, in all these examples, the halogen atom is directly attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. First, I will take some examples. Under that, first one is alkyl halides. Second one is allyl halides or allylic halides, and third one is benzylic halides or benzyl halides. See, in these three examples, the halogen atom is directly bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon. As we know that sp3 hybridized carbon means carbon containing only single bond. There is no double and triple bonds. Okay, I will discuss one by one. First one is alkyl halides. What is meant by alkyl halides? These are the halogen containing compound in which halogen atom is directly attached to alkyl group. There are three types of alkyl groups are there. One is primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, and tertiary alkyl halide. In alkyl halide, they are further classified into three types: primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary alkyl halides are represented by the general formula RCH2X. Secondary alkyl halides are represented by the general formula R2CHX. Tertiary alkyl halides are represented by the general formula R3CX. See, what is meant by primary alkyl halide? These are the halogen containing compound in which halogen atom is directly attached to primary carbon atom. The carbon which containing two hydrogen is primary. The carbon which containing one hydrogen is secondary. Carbon which do not containing hydrogen is tertiary. See, here halogen atom is attached to primary carbon, halogen atom is attached to secondary carbon, halogen atom is attached to tertiary carbon. General formula for primary, general formula for secondary, general formula for tertiary alkyl halide. Here, what is R here? R is replaced by any alkyl group like methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl or anything. This is alkyl halide. See, in every alkyl halide, halogen atom is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. Primary, secondary, tertiary, every carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. Okay. Next is B. Allyl halides. Allyl halides. What are allyl halides? These are the halogen containing compound in which the halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon next to carbon-carbon double bond. I will give an example. CH2 double bond CH, CH2 Cl. The name of this compound is allyl chloride. Allyl chloride. See, what is hybridized state of this carbon? sp2. This is sp2, but this one sp3. This is what we call allyl carbon. This is what we call allyl carbon. What is meant by allyl carbon? The carbon which is next to carbon-carbon double bond is called allyl carbon. Then what are allyl halide? These are the halogen containing compound in which halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon next to carbon-carbon double bond. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಬನನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲೈಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಅಲ್ಲೈಲು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಅಲ್ಲೈಲು, ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಅಲ್ಲೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ CH2 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇದು ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು CH3 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೆರಡು CH3 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದು ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಅಲ್ಲೈಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is allyl halides. What is allyl halide? These are the halogen containing compound in which the halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon, that is allyl carbon, next to carbon carbon double bond. ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಬಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಟು ಅಲ್ಲೈಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೈಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್? ದ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆನ್ಸೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ಸ್. What are benzyl halides? First I will take one example for benzyl halide, that is C6H5CH2Cl. This is benzyl chloride. What is meant by benzyl halide? These are the halogen containing compound in which halogen atom is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon next to benzene. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬೆನ್ಸೈಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೆನ್ಝೀನ್ಗೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ನ ಬೆನ್ಸೈಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಈ ಬೆನ್ಸೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೆನ್ಸೈಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಗೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದಟ್ ಬೆನ್ಸೈಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಈಸ್ sp3 ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡೈಸ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬೆನ್ಸೈಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಬದಲು ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಇದೆ, ಬೆನ್ಸೈಲ್ ಬ್ರೋಮೈಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಬೆನ್ಸೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್? ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ sp3 hybridized carbon next to benzene ring. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆನ್ಝೀನ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. sp3 hybridized ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೈಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. ಅದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆನ್ಝೀನ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬೆನ್ಸೈಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ the classification and in which the compound having CsP3 X bond. In all these three examples, halogen atom is directly bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon. Okay, second classification, that is compound having CsP2X bond. Second one, compound having CsP2X bond. See, in this example, halogen atom is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. There are two types. First one is vinyl halides and aryl halides. Aryl halides. Okay, in both vinyl halides and aryl halides, halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. I will take one example for vinyl halide, that is CH2 double bond CHCl. This is vinyl chloride. Br is vinyl bromide. What is mean by vinyl halides andre, these are the halogen containing compound in which halogen atom is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಗೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಇದೆ, sp2 hybridized carbon of carbon carbon double bond. This is vinyl halide. These are the halogen containing compound in which halogen atom is attached to sp2, direct attach ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon of carbon carbon double bond. This is vinyl halide. Then what are aryl halides? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅರೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್ ಟು ಬೆನ್ಝೀನ್ ರಿಂಗ್, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬೆನ್ಝೀನ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸಿ ಕ್ಲೋರೋಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್. ಅರೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೋಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ತಗೋಬೋದು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅರೈಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ದ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್ ಟು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಬೆನ್ಝೀನ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ 3 alternative double bond. See here, halogen atom is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon of benzene ring. This is aryl halide. In vinyl halide, halogen atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of carbon carbon double bond. Okay, benzene ring alliro sp2 carbon ge halogen direct agi link agide, adu aryl halide. In these two example, halogen atom is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. This is about classification of haloalkane based on the number of halogen atom and based on the nature of the carbon, hybridized state of the carbon to which the halogen is bonded. Okay, in the next class we will discuss, I will teach you the nomenclature of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay, thank you so much.